ready to unlock an effortless way to pay globally. Let's dive into using your Wise digital card. First things first, ensure you've got the Wise app installed and your digital card is activated. You'll usually find this option within the card section of your account. Once active, you can easily add it to your preferred mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay for seamless tap-to-pay at physical stores. For online payments, your Wise digital card functions just like a physical card. You'll find your card number, expiry date, and CVV directly within the Wise app. Simply enter these details at checkout on any website that accepts card payments. Whether you're browsing online shops or grabbing coffee on your travels, your Wise digital card makes payments quick and secure. For in-person transactions, just tap your phone or smartwatch where you see the contactless payment symbol. What makes the Wise digital card so powerful is its integrated management. You can instantly track every transaction, see your spending broken down by category, and manage multiple currencies all from a single, intuitive digital wallet. Need to pay in a different currency? Wise converts your money at the real exchange rate, saving you money on international transactions and giving you complete control over your global spending. So there you have it, why Euro is secure, convenient, and cost-effective way to manage your money worldwide with your Wise digital card. Start paying smarter today.